Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tactim channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video, I'm gonna show you how can you view full screen preview in Adobe Premiere Pro. So guys, as you can see, if you want to view full screen, just click on this, the preview panel, and just click on your tilt key, which is in the upper of tab. Click on it, and after clicking it, as you can see, it is on full screen. If you click on it again, you can escape this like this, and after that if you click on control and your tilt key, it will be on full screen like this. And if you click on tilt or escape, you can just go back like this. So guys, that's how you can view full screen preview in Adobe Premiere Pro. Hope you find this video helpful. If you have found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tactim channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.